In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to QuickBooks Online using Kloudconnectors. We'll walk through the full setup process from start to finish so you can get your store and accounting system talking to each other correctly. The goal here is to make sure your orders, customer details, products, and tax information sync the way you expect, while also helping you avoid common setup mistakes. To begin, create your Kloudconnectors account. Once you're signed in, look for the connector that links WooCommerce with QuickBooks Online and select it. This is the integration you'll use to move data between your online store and your accounting platform. Next, enter the address of your WooCommerce website. Be sure to use the correct website URL so Kloudconnectors can connect to the right store. After that, you'll need to generate your WooCommerce REST API credentials from inside WooCommerce. These credentials allow Kloudconnectors to securely communicate with your store. When they've been created, copy the consumer key and consumer secret and paste them into the appropriate fields in Kloudconnectors. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Once the WooCommerce site is connected, sign in to QuickBooks Online. You'll then be prompted to authorize Kloudconnectors to access your QuickBooks data. If you manage more than one company, make sure you approve access to the correct QuickBooks company before continuing. After the connection is established, configure how your data should sync. This includes deciding how customers, products, sales orders, and taxes should be handled between WooCommerce and QuickBooks Online. These settings are important because they control how information is created or matched in QuickBooks. So review each option carefully based on how you want your bookkeeping workflow to operate. You'll also choose which WooCommerce order statuses should trigger synchronization. This helps ensure only the right orders are sent over, such as completed or processing orders, depending on your business process. From there, choose your automatic synchronization schedule. You can set the connector to run on a timing that fits your operation, whether you need more frequent updates or a less frequent sync. Before relying on the integration fully, run an initial test synchronization. This gives you a chance to confirm that orders and related data are flowing correctly. Finally, review the connector dashboard and check for any reported errors. If something needs attention, correct it there before moving forward. Once everything looks good, your WooCommerce and QuickBooks Online integration should be ready to run smoothly.